This 2012 Jayco Eagle 314 BDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 35 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 10. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2012 Jayco Eagle 314 BDS is 7,520 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.